Introduction to Programming in Cybersecurity.
Cybersecurity is a rapidly evolving field, and programming skills are essential for solving security challenges. Knowing the right languages can make a big difference in your career. Let's explore the most important programming languages that aspiring cybersecurity professionals should focus on and why these specific languages are so valuable in the world of cybersecurity.
Python, the versatile tool.
Python is one of the most popular languages in cybersecurity due to its readability, simplicity, and versatility. It's used for developing security tools, automating tasks, scripting, and analyzing malware. Python's extensive libraries and supportive community make it a go-to language for penetration testers and security analysts who need efficient, powerful, and easy-to-maintain code.
C and C++ low-level access.
C and C++ are crucial for understanding how software and operating systems work at a fundamental level. Many security vulnerabilities, such as buffer overflows, originate in programs written in these languages. Cybersecurity experts use C and C++ for exploit development, analyzing malware, and understanding memory management, which is essential for finding and fixing security flaws.
JavaScript, securing the web.
JavaScript powers most of the dynamic content on the web, making it a critical language for cybersecurity professionals focused on web security. Understanding JavaScript helps with identifying and preventing attacks like cross-site scripting. Cybersecurity experts often analyze, test, and secure web applications using their knowledge of JavaScript's features and vulnerabilities.
Assembly language, deep dive into malware analysis.
Assembly language is essential for reverse engineering and analyzing malware. It offers deep insight into what malware is doing by letting professionals read and debug code executed at the processor level. While it's more challenging to learn, knowledge of assembly separates basic security analysts from advanced cybersecurity specialists tackling complex threats.
Other languages and final thoughts.
Other languages like Java, PowerShell, Bash, and Ruby are also valuable, depending on your focus area. For example, PowerShell is useful for Windows environments, while Bash is key for Linux administration. Each language helps you automate tasks, find vulnerabilities, or build secure software. Mastering the right mix gives you the flexibility and expertise needed in today's cybersecurity landscape.